Hey guys, Wild Olives Cookbook is in print to order on Amazon. So go on Amazon, type in Wild Olives plant-based cooking and it will pop up. Took me like 5 years, but it's finally done. Here's a sneak peek of my cookbook, Wild Olives, available on Amazon, created by Freehouse Design Co. Thank you, you did an amazing job. Here we're just gonna flip through there. Go over to Amazon and type in Wild Olives plant-based cooking for the seasons and elements. Okay, thank you Freehouse. Thank you for all your support. Amore, Luce. Ciao.